Guys, Lagos is flooded. Like literally, Lagos is flooded. It's been raining since morning. Can you guys see? It's been raining since morning and it's still raining. Oh my gosh.
2,000 years later.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong.
It's been raining for the past 1 week now, almost non-stop. So this is what happens when you don't have good drainage system and good roads.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I would like to take you guys with me. I have a lot of errands to do, guys, mostly for my little girl's 1-year birthday preparation. Please do enjoy the rest of this vlog. Let's go, guys. Good morning, how are you? Okay, so this is the weave one. It's actually a straight hair. Please, can you bring it out? I think it will blend, right? So should I drop it here with you? You can hold it now on Saturday. What time? So I've dropped my weave on in the salon, and you know, I'll be making my hair in a few days time. So I'll be going to a store now. Okay, yes, let me see what I can get from there. I'm going to a provision store. Yeah, it's called provision store here. Uju, how are you? Good morning. What's the name? How much is the carton? 1. I give me now. She has fallen in love with this biscuit, eh? So look at it. This is how it looks like. A baby girl's favorite biscuit. I want to get it. So yeah, this is provision store. Nigeria call it provision store. America call it groceries. I don't know. Let me know what this store is called in your area. So yeah, in Ghana, I don't know. I want to know what it is. Is it the same thing? Is it called provision store in Ghana as well? This sun is not be your mate too. It was actually raining this morning. Put it together now. If I'm coming back, I'll pick it up, okay? Take. Just put it together. Once I come out, I'll pick it up. Okay. I usually satisfy my pregnancy cravings here. You can imagine. I'm at that one now. Oh my gosh. Oh, Lord Jesus. Maybe your mate too. Here is looking so bad. So bad. So guys, this is where I usually satisfy my pregnancy cravings. So far, for 1 year and a half. They're very delicious. Say hi, guys. Oh, if I could say hi now.
Hi, guys.
How far? How was the East, your travel?
Oh, fine.
Can you see? I'm sweating so badly. So now, I came to buy provision down there, biscuit and wipes, and I said, let me come here and say hi. Blue biscuits. It's for my baby girl. Hi, are you a baby? Put yourself together, bro. Next day, okay, go marry next day. Why not go marry this year?
Why not this year?
But how much rice is this?
200 naira worth of rice. How much is bag of rice now? 35,000. 35. When let's go, you don't buy 31,500. Foreign rice. How many meats do you want?
100 naira.
I will not buy 35,000. I would never buy 34,000 naira. One if I could take it on level.
You understand?
I won't buy rice.
You lack on Nijide gogi. When are you going to
And I will the plan party.
in the plan party? But I can't baby make go take rice.
How much you do buy for me?
I'm go take price in the mambo.
What the price is my bomb? Okay, I'll take care of myself. Be a good girl.
All right.
Bye. I'm not giving you any biscuits. Leave me alone this summer. What's wrong with you? Oh, look at the waka bag. Only me. Ujoya, give me my stuffs. Did you give me balance? Give me my balance. This one is you guys' mini shop. Mini warehouse. Thank you. So I have 15 naira and I have my stuff. Thank you so much. Bye. Okay, so I need to cross over to the other side of the road. Look at huge traffic here. Let me see if we can cross over. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's go. All right. Thank you. Sorry. Sorry. Which one is? What's the name? Mama's Choice. Mass Choice is 34. How much is local?
Local, big bowl 30,000. Pretty late 29,000.
30 and 29. This big bull, is it big bull? Is it stoneless?
Yes.
It's stoneless. Very fine rice. Do you have the sample here? Do you have the sample here? Wow, this local rice.
Best of Nigeria.
Come on.
Best of Nigeria. It be like foreign, just that foreign long pass.
Wow. And he said it's how much? I even like the color.
30,000.
30. Hold this, let me come first. Hi. My what did you baby? What did you call me? Yeah, if you call me Uju baby again, I'll go to call me Auntie Uju. Auntie Uju. Why they laugh? This jewelry woman is open. What time will she open now? I'm here for her. I want to buy jewelry. I don't know. Hey, Mama, go, Joe. Go now. Guys, I decided to stay a while here while I wait for the lady, the jewelry lady. So I decided to spend time with my friends. Shop and Cora is knocked out. Yeah, clip, both side clip. Yeah, let me see the ones you have. Okay. Good morning. These are hair accessories for babies. Let me see it. I want, and I also select some colors here: red, gold, yellow. Do you see red? No. Hey, I'm just checking. How much is it? This 250. 250. Oh, so Nabian and 150. So, do you have earrings for children? What do you think she can wear? I don't want her to look. No, I want her to look like a baby. Okay, let me see how it looks on you. So I went to another jewelry store. I didn't really like what I saw. So I think it's good. Is it not heavy? It's not. So I chose this. I got this. This looks nice. Do you have this type in silver? This one you're putting on. Do you have this silver color? It's just gold. Let me see. So this is how it looks like. Wow. Cora. I got this for Cora though. Bring it out, my dear. And so guys, I was able to get this earring. Okay. I got this. And then I also got this one. That's all. I have my baby girl's earring inside though. I got something for Cora. Let me see. Okay, yeah, something like this for her. I mean, I'm considering taking this one. I don't know, but I think I have something like this at home, so we'll figure it out. This is actually. Oh yeah, I got this more in came from, and I'm bought it. So my it looks like this inside. Don't worry, I'll still take you guys here and they shop with me video. So they sell meat and everything here. But we're not cooking, so we're not cooking today. I just want to pick those things and then leave, okay? How much?
100, 200.
Which one is 200? Give me that 200 naira. It's not 150, ma. It's 150 now, ma. So it's not 150. This one is Jara. My customer. Hey, thank you. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Tell them, the rest of you, that's not what I talk about, sir.
On a granite season, no. So this is over to supermarket now. Just get something. Let's see. Okay, so let me pick something from here. Coconut chips only. Hi. Thank you. Excuse me. You're welcome. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so this is what I want to get here for my parfait. Yeah, I love this a lot. Yes. Are you guys see? My nylon is distracting. I'll pick like 2. Mama, do you want? So I want to check my customer card, how much I've accumulated. So, samosa, spring roll, and puff. Yeah. So I'll just cross over and then head home. Maybe head to the studio. From the studio to my house. Okay, alright. Mama, why are you smiling? Thank you. I'm not going.
I know they go.
I know they go. Okay guys, so I'll be heading over to the studio to make an inquiry for or book an appointment for my baby girl's 1-year photo shoot. That's also the same studio I used for her 6 months. So I'll go and make an inquiry, you know, on how this whole thing is going to turn out. And I think I'll be ending this video here. There's a lot of things going on already. Like, I think I've also taken you guys around for quite a long time now, so I don't want to bore you guys. Thank you so much if you watched up until now. My name is Uju. You're highly welcome to Ujulinn Space. Smash that subscribe button to be part of this family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for supporting me as always. Let's go guys, let me go to the studio and then see ya. Bye. I was sleeping on this. How are you guys doing? Good afternoon dear. Where is Dimex?